Yes, your network has been okay.
Okay, let's go. Tell your ghosty to play, okay? Tell
Leave
that
my
guy
ghosty
to play the game.
My ghosty
It's 1-1
is a
now.
busy person.
1-1 is the score. Now is 1-1. 1-1 is the score. Tell the Kumanyoko ghosty to play the damn game. Cinderella. You want to be Cinderella, right? Play the damn game.
When you left, my
Smokeless
ghosty
and
left.
boozy.
So my ghosty is not here. Okay.
Hey, shut up there. How can you see if your ghosty is there or not? I didn't even go for 1 second. Smokeless ghosty. Guys, everybody tap the screen. Thank you, Quitty. Thank you so much. Guys, everybody tap, guys. Thank you so much. Let me see something. Thank you. We can get to 1,000 points so easily. Everybody else tap the screen, guys, okay?
Guys,
tap
can we
screen,
double tap? Can we double tap?
Make sure that you tap the screen.
Can we tap
the
some roses,
Musuni
tap
is
some
smokeless.
roses?
The Kalendekanyoko is smokeless. The Musuni is smokeless. She will learning it the hard way. Everybody tap the screen. I know why I'm restarting. Guys, tap the screen, guys.
Guys, can you take from my treasure box? Like I gave you a treasure
Tap
box
the
and you
screen,
don't want to
guys.
take it from. You don't want to take points.
May they take from that treasure box and may they not return, you fool. Everybody tap the screen. Keep on tapping. You want to come and talk about you are a fool. Krina, you are a fool. Krina, you are a mad woman, you are a fool. You will learn the hard way. 3 roses, guys.
Guys, 3 people with a rose. 3 roses, guys. We play.
Guys.
Thank you, Sue. 2 more people with a rose. 2 more people with a rose. Guys, take from the treasure box now.
2 roses, guys.
2 more people with a rose.
Guys. Let's go tapping.
Thank you. 1 more rose. 1 more rose. You guys have very nice song. Very nice. Very nice names.
Okay,
guys, on the times 2. Times 2.
Guys,
you are talking about my ghosty, Abby.
Hey, tell them Usumu to play that side. I got my people here. Times 2, guys. Guys, doubles.
Guys, let's play together. Whatever you got on. What is wrong with Fortune, with this thing? What is wrong with it? What are you doing? Ghosty on your face. Move back.
Guys, times 2. Play on times 2.
This is why when you hear someone is called a ghosty, Fortune, please, when they are ghosty, you don't know who they are. You can't be opening your mouth and talking nonsense when you don't know. Ghosty, sweet ghosty. I don't know who the ghosty is. So you should be careful what you say. You know, for me, I don't talk about people's ghosties. If they come over there on bubble number 1, I'll talk about them. But other than that, you don't know who ghosty is. Play the game. You restarted to go and call who? To go and call, Maluleka is back. The same person who was playing when you left is the same person that is playing now. There's no difference. You're going to apologize to my ghosty. You said, ghosty, you are ghost. You are the best. You're this. This is our godfather on this app. Serves the children like us. Play the freaking game. You can play. Don't talk about ghosty when you don't know anything. Is here to protect the children. Guys, this thing, I'm trying. Hey, I don't want Fortune to concentrate on the wrong thing because sometimes he forgets. If you know in 20 seconds that you're a loser, come in the front. And please, you will apologize to my ghosty. Okay? You will say, I'm sorry. I don't know who you are. I'm really sorry. This is a respectful person. You can't just open your mouth anyhow.
Kweti, thank you so much. Should I apologize?
Yes.
Ghosty, may you open your nyash? May Krina put a big head, what do you call this, a potato head in your nyash?
Are you stupid?
Stupid idiot. Guys, everybody tap. Moderators, please encourage these people to power tap, okay? Tap the screen, guys. Tap and repost. Our taps are very dry. We're supposed to be on 10K taps. Nobody's tapping, guys. Just a few people